Well, hello everybody. Gosh, it's Wednesday. It's time for Lunch and Learn with the Branch again. Hi, I am Dr. Ray with Olive Branch Wellness Center. Yeah, we've had a little bit of a theme going this month of June, and the theme has been Challenge Yourself Too. And we've talked about new food. That was last week. Well, this week I wanted to challenge you to try some new type of exercise. Now, you don't have to become a major bodybuilder. You don't have to become an athlete that does triathlons or decathlons or any of that kind of stuff. Just try a different kind of exercise. So, one of the exercises that I think a lot of us have been doing since we've been trapped inside is a lot of walking. So if you've been doing a lot of walking, why not just drag a bike out and ride around the block? Just ride around the block. Or try something different, like maybe trying to jog just half of your street. That's all you need to do. But try something different. Try some weightlifting. Um, Everything can be used as a weightlifting. I know my husband, he's used to lifting a lot of weight. And so what he did was he filled a bucket with water, a big, huge 5-gallon bucket with water. And he's been lifting that, doing whatever exercises he does. But it's been wonderful to watch the creativity. And I know you have it in you to be creative and do a different kind of exercise. One of the exercises that we might not think of is, have you gone up and down the stairs in your home a few times? This is what I'm saying. You don't have to be a part of the gym. You don't have to be taking a huge class. But if that's your thing, taking classes, have you popped on to, the internet and gotten some, because there's plenty of classes now, taking a class, maybe take a yoga class. The body needs all that stretching and it's fabulous for your joints and your muscles. Have you taken a yoga class? Have you taken a Pilates class? And the thing is, if you're at home and doing it and it doesn't seem to be the right thing for you, guess what? Then you can just shut it off. You don't have to make a big scene by leaving. There are so many things you can do. There's even programs for your phone that you can download. I have one it's called Female Fitness. Try something new. It doesn't matter how old you are or how young you are. Try something new. There's always a way. You don't have to go out and lift the car, by your bumper. But try something new. It's about keeping fit, and you might actually find that you actually enjoy doing something new. How about that? I discovered the speed skating machine at the gym when we could go to the gym. And I thought, oh, I'll never do that. And then I thought, oh, one day I'll just try it. And I was like, I really like this machine. I really like doing this. So give yourself an opportunity. Now, the reason we want to give you that opportunity to do that is the brain loves new things. And it's important to keep the brain situated. So if ever you can do anything outside, do it outside. Do the weightlifting on your patio, or, just try and do the yoga on your porch or your deck or something like that with your laptop up. Anything you can do outside, and the brain gets very stimulated by that. And it's like, listen, there's a bird. Wow, I hear or see something else. The trees are rustling, whatever else is going on. It's good to be outside, but really, really consider trying a new exercise. And if you want to get super creative, make up your own and then post it on our Facebook page. So try a new exercise, try something new, challenge yourself. I think you'll be sweetly surprised like I was. This is Dr. Ray with Olive Branch Wellness Center. I can talk today for a Lunch and Learn with the Branch. And if you have a friend, share this with them. Maybe they've got some great ideas and you and your friend can maybe do it, across the yard. Have a great week, and we'll see you next week for Lunch and Learn with the Branch. Bye.